If anyone owns a bird, I should say, congratulations, first off. You're doing God's work. Because here's what happens when you own a bird, is you isolate the best thing about the animal, his ability to fly, and you rip it away from him. And you replace that with your conditional love. And then you jam it into a cage and you explain, I'm going to work, like forever. Goodbye. And you throw a blanket on it. And you're just like, yeah, he could be flying around in the sky, but I just feel more comfortable if he's in prison at my apartment. And then you're like, I got a flight to catch. You remember flight? Play with the cat.